this part for real property. So my question is for everybody. If you co-own any property, including personal property, including real property, with somebody else, how many choices you may have? Okay.
4.
So I don't know how many, but let's go one by one. Okay. Yes, more frequently you may choose. Oh, assuming this husband-wife. Okay. Then we can expand. We can expand the concept. Assuming this case happened between husband and wife. In California, okay, okay, by default, by default means if this couple does not select, does not change any other thing, by law, okay, yes, this is CP. CP means community. Property. Heard about this before? Anybody? What? Even though you are individual, single right now, but better off learn about this, okay? Better off learn about this, okay? So, anybody heard about this? Community property. Community property is the default set by California civil law, okay, civil code. Okay? Really means after the marriage, okay, there are two requirements. Okay? There is marriage. Okay, there is marriage. The marriage doesn't have to be. The marriage doesn't have to be in California. Could be any place. Okay, could be the whole world. Okay, as long as this marriage is valid. Okay, legitimate, valid. In the place the marriage happened. So could be any location. However, such marriage must be at least recognized by California. Understand? For example, right now, as far as I know, probably there are at least 3 or 4 states already passed same-sex marriage law already. I believe Hawaii, New Hampshire, New York, I believe, Massachusetts, I believe. I may be wrong, but at least 4 states already passed same-sex marriage. And the same issue still debating. We are waiting for the outcome from our Supreme Court. It may come down anytime soon from California Supreme Court. Everybody we just wait for it. Okay. But at least up until today, California still does not recognize same-sex marriage before it becomes finalized. So if a couple, they register, okay, same-sex marriage registered in Hawaii, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, or New York, but such marriage is still not valid here. Okay, all right. In California, eventually, at least up until today, in California, we have alternative to solve the problem. Everybody understand, right? I believe I talked about this issue, right? In California, we used another terminology to solve this same-sex marriage problem. That's called domestic partner, right? Domestic partner. So even though up until today in California the legal system does not recognize same-sex marriage. However, same-sex people, if they determine to get benefit under the law of community property law, and they just go ahead to register with state government, same thing. Secretary of State, his department do a lot of things. Okay. Secretary of State also accept the domestic partner registration. So even though up until today there is no same-sex marriage, okay. However, if same-sex people they determine to take the benefit of community property law, they just go ahead to register. There's no marriage, by the way, okay? There's no marriage. But they just register with a Secretary of State and they can enjoy the same benefit, at least in California. Understand?
So this means if the domestic partner did not register in the state, so nobody recognizes, right?
Right.
So basically, you're saying community, you must